Namuganza oye! Namuganza oye! So buli lwobanga oli kulwanisa Namuganza oba toli kulwanisa Namuganza yenka ayo oli kulwanisa Busoga yona n'abantu ababaire bali kubenefitinga n'NRM awalala mu Busoga nga bwagikumyankumye daiza abantu walala. So tukubira omulanga here is excellence nti Namuganza akoze emirimu mingi gy'omutumye abavubuka bangi bafunye emirimu alwanirira omuntu wa wansi kyova obona nti omuntu akola ino sometimes bamulwanisa aye nga Busoga tufiirirwa ebifo bingi nga bijanga tibiirawo. Ekifo kya Namuganza kibaire kya mugaso ino okuboneka nti akikozesa ng'aduna abantu b'NRM abavubuka abakyala n'abantu bona mu Busoga. So Babalata tulisaba His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda tuti baba ensonga eno nnene ino era tusaba ogiringemu ng'olingamu Abasoga okulwanisa Namuganza oba oli kulwanisa Busoga n'ebirikola. Baba tusaba otulingemu Namuganza irizibwe ekifo ekyo era twakubira omulanga ni palamenti ya Uganda nti ensonga nyingi edirijja mu maiso detubaye tudilibaletingako okuboneka ntutola abantu mbwavu. Ensonga ya Namuganza ntono ino tusaba mutulinge mu member of parliament nifa abeNRM abangi tuboneke nti nga kokasi Namuganza tumuleka akola emirimo gye tujje ku nsonga edindi edikulankulanya abantu nga Busoga.
Bona ba Busoga na bali kutiyalinga aye nga abokuluya bali awo bali betefutefu kubanga babonaki bakuuma Busoga n'ekitiibwa kyaife. N'olw'ensonga ezo zabana ndikukubiriza bakulu baife ba MPs ndikukubiriza bakulu baife ba ministers ba Busoga ndikukubiriza bakulu baife abamadini wa Busoga consortium muveyo musituke mwingire mu nsonga ya Busoga mu nsonga ya Persis mu nsonga ya NRM akwira kokasi efe ya NRM mweta abantu bali mu kokasi omucha yatendanize in apology ye eranga yetonda omuntu bulo yetonda kizibu ino kwaga n'abantu ava ni yetonda ku kintu kyakoze bwaba soboye okutegera ensobi ye yasaba ekisoniwo tuna lwache efuka topic
oye Busoga juu Busoga juu youth oye minister oye Abasoga tuli betefutefu kufiirwa kifo president atero tukubanti kangi kakiraka ki kaife bana akaife ni kana kaliwo president kusaba ove joli oido ingire mu nsonga ya Persis kuba no waife no Musoga gwe tulina Abasoga bali ba MP mwana omuntu omuli mu parliament muleke kutulwanisanga Busoga mwireka tutese soga defi kole ki liwe bana muleke kulwana ento tuli kulwana dachere wobo ino yenda kifo ikaikana tuda kufuna ifo mukasera kaki akatufu Persis juu Busoga juu NRM oye kulwana gana tuleke kwira mu byantalo Obusoga bwena tuisanye kusanya nokuki namani Obusoga kusanya niki namani Obusoga kusanya niki namani NRM oye Persis oye Persis oye tuli betefutefu kufiirwa Persis ngaki nga Busoga tukusazeweza kufiirwani Persis MP Busoga tuza kufiirwa Persis nga baki
shikirire atwogerewo enda kuganza Persis tuwe kumuluzinga kubanga ifa bana Busoga tuli kumufunamu atenga tini ifefenka n'abantu abandi mukiri Uganda bitunde byenda bona bamufunye mu Namuganza katwenze atubererewo atusigalirewo gada Namuganza Persis minister kuba Busoga tweda kuluzinga Namuganza
ekindese wano n'ekitulese twena mu bungi tuti lwakwekubirira ndulu eri omukulembeze waife aire walala kumeza nibe MP baife baize Namuganza tulobe mufiirwa nga ife Abasoga Namuganza byatukolera ebingi ino abavubuka atuwaire enkulankulana atuwaire ente atuwaire enkoko twayiya twava mu bwavu era Abasoga saawa eno abavubuka twena tuli kwenumiriza ino mu NRM anga tujenumiriza mukulu wa Namuganza kubanga n'omukulembeze waife n'akati k'ekibiriti akalala ke tulina mu Busoga kyova tuviireyo twekubirira enduulu era twasaba Yoweri President atugemereku.
I want to echo this to our chairman of the party, who is none other than His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, Honorable Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. We want to thank you that as the youth fraternity, we worked with Namuganza Persis and you gave her a ministerial post, Minister for Lands, Housing and Urban Development. We are so grateful as Busoga. As Busoga, we are so grateful. We want to thank Your Excellency. And we want to say that Namuganza has not betrayed us as the youth of Busoga. She has worked to our expectation. She has mobilized all the youth in Busoga. She has mobilized all the women in Busoga. She has worked on the issues of the Busoga. Down the grassroots, everybody has felt the impact of Namuganza in Busoga. There are issues that have come up to disorganize our Persis Namuganza. We are echoing to whoever is concerned that Namuganza, as Busoga, we are not ready to lose Namuganza. As Busoga, we are not ready to lose Namuganza because she has been vibrant towards the issues of Busoga, most especially putting NRM at the front line. She has mobilized all of us.
Busoga, we are losing. We have very few ministers. It's not the right time for us to lose Namuganza as a minister. Your Excellency the President, you normally tell us that akange kachirachi kaife. I normally hear President saying that. So as Busoga, we are not ready to lose Honorable Minister Persis Namuganza because she has helped Busoga to raise NRM to shine. Ministers are there, but we have Namuganza because she is there for us. So please, as members of Parliament in our house there, please, I kindly request you, please join hands, come back together, forgive her. She has tendered in her apologies. I request that you forgive her because she is also a person like you. We are here to condemn it because as Busoga, we only have few MPs. We only have few ministers in Parliament. Why is it that we are again losing her? It's not right, it's not good. I condemn it and we condemn it as Busoga. Busoga, oi! Oi! Busoga, oi! Oi! No losing Namuganza. No losing Namuganza. We don't want to lose Namuganza. No losing as Busoga, we shall not lose her. We are not ready for that. NRM, oi!
Persis is a child who was groomed with NRM. She has only survived in the NRM government. She has seen no other government apart from NRM. So when you front any war against Namuganza, then you are trying to ensure that NRM generates in Busoga. You are trying to say that NRM loses value in Uganda. Mind you, at this time, when we have different atmospheres, we have different levels of opposition coming up and down, it is the time for NRM caucus to come up, address Namuganza's issue as a minor issue, let it be settled in caucus. It will be a great pleasure so that as the Parliament sits, we have other new developments on agenda instead of Namuganza's issue. Busoga Consortium, please. It is a shame to see Busoga leaders being put down when the consortium is there. It is a shame for NRM. It is a shame for Busoga. Members, we are calling upon you people. Help us. Namuganza issue should be brought on to rest. Since she tendered in her apology, since she's the NRM patriot, since her ministerial post has not only helped Busoga, but the country at large. Many youth in the western, many youth in the central, many youth in the north have praised Namuganza, have benefited from the achievements of Namuganza as a minister and as NRM patriot. I therefore wind up calling upon every concerned citizen, every concerned MP to go on the floor of Parliament and call upon the withdrawal of that motion censuring in Namuganza from the ministerial post and look at issues that are going to bring us on board as Busoga, issues that are going to protect the image of NRM. And disgraced from the honorable members of the NRM caucus who have failed to come up and look at the issues that are pending, the issues that are affecting Busoga. As the district panelist or NEC for Bujiri, we have always suffered, we have always faced opposition during our talk shows with different opponents. We have always been tasked to show what NRM has been able to do. It is unfortunate that instead of our MPs helping us, supporting us, bringing in innovations that can help us defend and protect our party, they are instead prioritizing issues of personal attacks